Managing money as a student can be tough, but what if there was an app designed just for you? Meet Student Bank, a prototype I created with Fenado.ai to simplify student finances. Plus, I'll show you how I made changes to improve it, so you can do the same with your own app. Student Bank isn't a fully launched app yet, it's a working prototype. Designed it to explore how students can better manage their money. It already includes a clean dashboard showing your real-time balance and spending insights. Smart budgeting tools with progress tracking to help you stay on top of your goals. Splitting, that's as simple as scanning a QR code or selecting a contact. But I didn't stop there. I typed specific prompts into Fenado.ai to make it even better. Here's how I improved Student Bank step by step. I added a login screen by typing, "Design a secure login screen with email and password options." This made accessing the app simpler for users. On the onboarding screen, I typed, "Enhance the walkthrough to highlight key features and benefits." Now it gives new users a clearer guide. For the dashboard screen, I typed, "Redesign the layout for clearer spending insights and quick access to features." On the budgeting tools screen, I added visual progress bars with the prompt, "Show budget progress with customizable bars for each category." I made QR code functionality smoother on the bill splitting screen with this prompt. Optimize QR code scanning for bill splitting. For the savings goals screen, I typed, "Add customizable savings goals with progress indicators." And finally, I updated the expense analytics screen with interactive charts by typing, "Show spending patterns using visually appealing interactive charts." Each of these changes was intentional, and I made them step by step in Fenado.ai. So this is how Student Bank looks after all the changes. The login screen is sleek and secure, making access effortless. The onboarding screen now gives users a clearer, smoother introduction. The dashboard screen highlights real-time balance and spending insights with an improved layout. Features like budgeting tools, bill splitting, savings goals, and expense analytics have been upgraded for better functionality and a more intuitive experience. This prototype is more than just an app. It's a tutorial on how to build and refine your own ideas in Fenado.ai. Ready to create something amazing? Try Fenado.ai today.